Welcome to Kemira's traditional results studio. Let's go through the Q1 results. Mikko, how was the quarter for Kemira?
Well, our performance during the quarter was twofold. So we had solid profitability, whereas then the increased market uncertainty was visible in the negative organic revenue growth during the quarter. We had stable revenue growth and development in water solutions and fiber essentials businesses, whereas then the organic growth in packaging and hygiene solutions was -6%, following the soft end market development, both in China and also in the Americas. And as mentioned, profitability was a solid 19.1% during the quarter, and we had strong margins in both water solutions and fiber essentials businesses.
And this was the first time Kemira reported the new business units. So can you tell a bit more about the different profiles?
Sure, and all three business units have a clear mandate and role within the Kemira portfolio. Starting with water, there we focus really on growth and also retaining the strong margins that we have there. Fiber essentials is a very cash generative business. There our aim is to maximize cash flow and also look at selective growth opportunities. And then thirdly, in packaging and hygiene, there we focus on finding growth pockets while also improving profitability at the same time, as this business unit has the lowest margins in the portfolio.
And then the world economy, uncertainty has certainly increased during the beginning of the year. How will these tariffs affect Kemira?
Well, if we start from the direct impact, they're expected to be rather limited. So our business model is an asset in this kind of environment, so it's very resilient, and we mostly produce locally for local customers. Obviously, we are exposed to indirect impact via our customers and suppliers. Thinking about our businesses, so water has very resilient demand throughout economic cycles, whereas then a possible trade war would have implications for our customers, particularly on the packaging side.
And has Kemira changed its outlook based on this?
Well, the increased economic uncertainty is expected to result in softer volume demand in our end markets, particularly in packaging. On the positive side, the raw material environment is now expected to be stable. So as a whole, we've kept our outlook unchanged for this year.
This sounds good. And thank you, Mikko. It has been a pleasure working with you.
Likewise.
You are actually heading to new challenges, and this is your last results studio. What has been the highlight of your IR career?
Well, I've particularly enjoyed the past 5.5 years doing IR here at Kemira, and I think it's been the everyday investor interaction with our global shareholder base that I really enjoyed the most.
Good to hear. Indeed, let's meet at various IR meetings.
Thank you.